Good day, class. I am Mr. Michael Flores and I will be your teacher for General Mathematics for today. And this is the last part on the operations on functions. So previously, in our videos, I presented to you the different examples on how to solve or compute functions with different operations. So ito po, pupunta tayo sa composite of a function. So when we say composite of a function, okay, so I'll skip the slide. So ito po yung mga diniscuss natin nung mga nakarang araw. Okay, so the composition of functions, basically, let f and g be functions. The composite function denoted by f of g. So yung maliit na circle sa gitna, f of ang basa po dun. F of g is defined by yung circle po sa gitna, it means composite function. Okay, is defined by the composite function of f and g of x is equal to f of g of x. The process of obtaining a composite function is called function composition. Okay, so I'll correct. The composite function of f and g. Yun po yung basa po din yung may circle na maliit sa gitna. Okay, so we have the following examples. Given f of x is equal to 4x minus 5 and g of x is equal to x squared plus 4, find letter A. We have the composite function of f and g. So be careful lang po sa pagsusulat ng mga symbols, no? Hindi po siya fog, no? The composite function of f and g, it means this is f of g of x. So ano po ibig sabihin yan? So, yung second variable, yun po yung tatawagin nating sub-function. So, yun po yung ang gagawin po dyan, first, copy the original function which is f of x. So, base sa given po natin, our original f of x, that is 4x minus 5. Okay? And then, yung ating sub-function g of x, yun po yung ipapalit natin dun sa variable x. So, kumbaga, kung ano yung sub-function, yun yung ipapalit dun sa variables natin. Dun sa ating main function, which is 4x minus 5. So, that would be, what is our g of x? So, we have 4. Yung x replaced by x squared plus 4 minus 5. So, nandun pa rin po yun. Okay? So, yung x natin dito, papalitan lang natin ng value ng g of x. So, simplify it further, we will now have 4x squared plus 16 minus 5. Simplify it further, we have 4x squared plus 11. So, that is the value of the composite function of f and g. Okay? So, ganun lang po siya kasimple. Okay? Then, next, we have letter B. If we have the composite function of g and f of x. So this time reverse po. Our main function now is g of x. And our sub-function is f of x. Okay? So copying the original g of x, we have x squared plus 4. And then since f of x is our sub-function, replace it here on the value of x. So we have f of x, we have 4x minus 5 squared plus 4. And then simplify it further, you can use Paul method or the square of binomials. So we have 16x squared. Then we have minus 40x plus 25 plus 4. Okay? So, double check. Okay, so simplify it further. We have 16x squared minus 40x plus 29. So, this is the composite function of g and f. Excuse me. Okay? So, that's the composite function of g and f. And then, for the last, letter C, we have the composite function of f of x. Okay? It's very simple. Copy lang po yung main function, maging f of x. So, ganun lang po yan. So, our main function now would be 4x minus 5. And then, our sub-function is still 4x minus 5. So, mangyari, yung x natin, replace natin ng 4x minus 5 minus 5 pa rin. Then, simplify, we have 16x minus 20 minus 5. Simplify it further, we have 16x minus 25. So, that is f of x. Okay? So, again, recap po natin. So, composite of a function or function composition, yung first variable natin, siya po yung magiging main function. And then, kung ano po yung pangalawang variable, yun po yung magiging sub-function na ipapalit natin sa lahat ng variable ng ating main function. Then, simplify it using algebraic methods. So, that's it for our function composition or decomposition of function. Hope you learn a lot with our videos. Then if you have questions, you can ask questions if you want. And this is our last example for operations and functions. Then you may now go to the Neo LMS to have practice with our activities. So again, this is Mr. Michael Flores. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.